Alright, so this is how I clean my face shield. Obviously you take the face shield off and you see all those bugs. Right. So how I clean my face shield, I've been doing this for years and it's worked every time and it's never scratched the lens. What you do is you have to wash your hands first. Wash your hands, make sure that it's clean. Because, if it's dirty and you do this, you're gonna, basically that dirtiness, it's grit, it's abrasive. So it scratch your lens. So once your hands clean, you don't have any more grittiness to it. Under running water, with everything. Alright. And get a piece of soap and just basically rub it in there. Alright. Rub it in there, good. And on the front, outside, inside, outside. So the water will basically soften up all the bug splatter. And it comes off easier. Sometimes there's a little spots here and there that's kind of kind of caked on. It's been there for maybe a week or whatever. That's just, so I'm running my hand across it, my fingers across it, so I'm feeling for those little bumps where there's bug splatter that didn't come off. And you find a spot, basically just go at it with your fingernails, and that won't scratch the lens. Surprisingly, everything works really well. Okay, so everything's still smooth. And just rinse it off. So like I said, I've been doing this for years and it works every single time. I've never had any problems with this of any type. Works really well. And basically I just dry this with a towel and that's it, and I'm done. So that's basically how you would clean your face shield, right? So when you use a towel, use a clean towel. If you use a dirty towel, the dirtiness or the oiliness from the towel will go back onto your face shield. So there it is. Everything looks clean. Whatever scratches I have on here, that's from use. That's not from the cleaning process. It looks like this spot right there. I did not rub it quite enough right there. But that's it though. Otherwise it's all done. All right, thanks for watching.